Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at 3 side hustle apps that you can start using to start earning money. On one of these apps, you can earn up to $60 an hour. So if you are interested, stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Financial Game Plan. I'm Joanna, and I share videos on how to make money online from home or from your phone. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video, which is every single day at 11:30 a.m. Mountain Time. And the question for today is going to be, do you like cold or hot weather? What is your favorite? Leave your answers in the comment below this video. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into this video. Now, the first website that I have, which all of these websites have apps that you can use. So, but I like to take a look at the websites and the apps because they do have they provide information that we can look at. So the first one that we're gonna look is Observa, and that's like in Spanish. I would think that's kind of the same how you pronounce it in English, but this is the first website that we're gonna go ahead and take a look at. Like I said, it does have an app, so I'm gonna leave either the website or the link to the app in the description below this video. So if you're interested, go ahead and take a look at that. Now it says Observa, earn money, make PayPal money or Bitcoin, and it's available in the United States and in Canada as well. And it has paid more than $500,000 to observers. And it says start your side hustle as a secret shopper, answer easy questions and snap photos. You typically make $4 to $20 per observation. And each of the observations, it takes about 20 minutes. So imagine if you can do 3 of these gigs in 1 hour, that would be $60 an hour. So yeah, this is a really good little side hustle that you can start doing. And it says you'll get paid via PayPal or Coinbase and earn money for dinner dates and movie nights. So here it does provide us a little bit more information. Like I said, it says here gigs pay between $4 to $20, and then it says where does it say that it takes about, it typically, it says gigs take typically about 20 minutes on average, and you'll get paid for $4 to $20, okay? And you can transfer your money via PayPal and stuff. So yeah, this is a great little side hustle. Here in the on the website, they do provide a little bit more information if you are interested. Um, you can come and check this out. It says, how does it work? You download the app, create an account, choose your observation, complete the observation, and get paid. It's that simple. That simple that you can do. So that's one of the side hustles that you can start. And the other one, it's called Steady. Now this one, like I said, it does have an app as well, but this one, it's a little bit more, it's a little bit different, but I actually like it. It's really good for, especially if you are a stay-at-home parent, stay-at-home mom, and you're just looking for something part-time. You don't have time to do this full-time. You're just, it's just something that you want to do as a little side hustle. This is a great idea. Now, the way that this one works is this app actually helps you to find work. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at right here. It says a community of 1 million who are earning more. Boost your income and save with our offers. Turn your free time into cash. Track the money you make, and work and earn. Build steady life. Okay, so now it does talk a little bit more about the app right here. I want to take a look at how it works. So here, right here, we're gonna look at the website. Now, it says right here, power of the community. We're building a platform that puts the power of technology and information into the hands of the American worker. Our more than 1 million strong members are sharing their stories and working to improve the way they work and earn. And if you are interested, you can come and read a little bit more about the information here. But like I said, I will put the this app in the description below this video. So if you are interested, um, you can come and take a look at it. It says we City is here to help you look after your financial health, from matching you with opportunities to make extra money, to providing you with an income tracker to monitor your earnings, to ensuring you have the benefits you need while you work. Okay, so yeah, it provides a little bit more information here. So if you are interested, you can come and read this. And the last um, app that I have, it's called Instant Work. Instant Work. Um, this one, like I said, it does have a website where you can come and apply, and then it does have an app. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the website, and then we're gonna take a look at the app and stuff to get a clear idea as to this side hustle that Instant Work provides. Now it says, okay, it says this is for worker. Okay, it says earn more. We pass along more earnings to you. We make urgent requests at peak times, receive weekly payments to your bank account. So this website actually Instawork gig. Okay, Instawork gigs and jobs. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. It says receive work offers, get daily offers for gigs nearby, and book the ones that work for you. So this one does provide, for instance, like a one-time offer. Let's say, for instance, that there is an event, maybe an event center near you, and they need a dishwasher, somebody to serve, and if you notice, the paying in these offers actually vary depending on your area, depending on the company, and depending on what you have to do and stuff. It varies, but yeah, it's like there's they do post a lot of gigs for different times, different days, so depending on what you're looking for and what fits your schedule. And it says work as little or as much as you want. You're in charge. Manage your earnings, see your gig earnings, payments, status, and extra bonuses all in one place. Show off your experience, build your professional reputation, get recognition from Instant Work partners, and get coaching from experts. Improve your skills with feedback from partners and peers after each gig. Okay, and so it does provide a little bit more information right here. Now, this company it is available in this area. So it says um, from Michelin star restaurants to local cafes, catering, and hospitality business, you can easily browse and apply to hourly gigs or permanent work with the Instawork app. We are currently operating in Boston, Chicago, LA, Phoenix, San Diego, and San Francisco Bay Area. We're coming soon to more cities. So they are currently located in bigger cities, but you can search in your area if you live nearby the big cities and you don't mind driving to get there to an event. That would be this would be a great little side hustle for you um, if you don't have you know, all the time in the world to have a full time, and you just want to do this part time. They do have all like the gigs, the opportunities that they offer right here. So if you have experience in any of this, it would be really helpful for you. So if you're interested, you can come and read a little bit more about the company. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and also put the this link in the description below this video, so you can come and sign up if you're interested, and you can start kind of receiving offers and see if what's available in your area. But yeah, those are the three side hustles that I have, side hustle apps available for moms or stay-at-home parents who don't have the time to work full time, and you're just looking for something that you can do part time to help out with your main income and stuff. So yeah, if you are interested, come and check these sites and these apps. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link below this video so you can go ahead and check it out for yourself and see if you like it. If you have any experience with any of these sites, any of these apps, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below this video and letting us know how has it been, have you liked it or not. It's just any insight that you may have. And yeah, if that is all that I have for today. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and help us reach to our 1,000 subscribers. We are getting there. We're slowly but surely getting there, and we really appreciate all of you guys' support. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and let us know uh, if you like this kind of information. That way I can bring it more side hustle ideas and more part-time jobs for moms, for stay-at-home moms, for stay-at-home parents. And yeah, that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time.